Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert a video file into any video formats without using a video converter in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you I have one video, right? So from the topic you have known that we are not going to use any video converter to convert this video to any video formats. So for this, what you need to do, if you're using a Windows 11 computer, then you can see here a view option. Just click on this, and now below you can see here and now you will see here file name extensions, right? So just enable this. So now the file name extensions of this video file is being shown here, as you can see, .mp4. So let us check the properties also, whether it's really a mp4 or not. So you can see here type of the file is mp4, right? So let us convert it to say mkb. So what you need to do is just right click on it and you can just click on rename, and now instead of mp4 let us type mkb and hit enter. Now click on yes. Now it has been converted to the mkb file, right? So let us check its properties. Now you can see the file has been converted to mkb files. So let us check it whether we can play this video file or not. So let me double click it. So let me open it. So finally we can open it still. So let us try to convert this again into different video formats like MOV. So once again do the same thing. Just right click and just click on rename, and let it change this to MOV this time and hit enter. Click on yes. So let us try to play this video again. So still we can play. So let us try one more. So let me try here the ABI video format and hit enter again. Now let us try to play this again. So finally you can play. We can convert to any video format just by renaming this video file extensions. So this is one of the coolest way to convert any video file into any video formats without using a video converter in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.